All right, we're ready for our adventure. From Dallas, Texas to Anchorage, Alaska. Right. I got 3 picks of blanket covered with some cinnamon apples. Come on now. I go off-roading a little bit. Only hit 30 miles an hour. Go over to Alaska. Got the mountains behind us. Water.
Going through the mountain tunnel, go!
It's a video.
Watch this. It's like a little bit of water surface.
A little bit different view from up here.
Come in here.
The Sigma? The bugs everywhere. We're about to go hiking. It's raining a little bit. Come on now. What up, tube? Drop a like and subscribe.